Okay, so this is our third video for managerial accounting, and ang topic natin, cost management systems and activity-based costing. Okay? So again, ang cost accounting, under siya ng management accounting, and yung tawag dito, pinakang core ng cost accounting is the proper computation of the cost ng products or services ng isang business. And of course, other expenses then or other costs na related in the overall operations of the business. Okay? So, in the previous video, na-discuss natin yung different types of cost, okay, and how they behave depending on the volume of production. Okay? So, pagdating sa cost accounting processes, meron tayong ganito na tinatawag cost accumulation. Itong cost accumulation, ibig sabihin lang nito, collection of cost by natural classification into cost pools such as materials or labor. Okay? So, lahat na nagastos under ng materials, kahit anong materials pa yan, okay, basta siya nagpa-fall under materials, ina-accumulate in that particular account name. Okay? Materials. Tapos yung labor, lahat ng mga employees na sumweldo in relation to the manufacturing process, lahat nung cost na, ginastos sa kanila, i-account in this particular account item, okay, labor, okay, or direct labor. Tapos, meron tayong tinatawag na cost allocation or assignment, okay. Di ba sa manufacturing cost, tatlo, direct material, direct labor, saka manufacturing overhead. Pagdating dun sa manufacturing overhead, that's also another item na, ina-accumulate yung cost. Pero yung overhead, normally, ina-allocate siya into different products or product lines. Okay? Kumbaga ay ina-allocate mo siya or ibabato mo siya kung saan sila technically ginastos nung company. Okay? So, kunwari, di ba, example natin ng overhead, rent nung manufacturing process. Okay? Hindi naman, let's say yung company, meron silang 5 products. Okay? So, hindi naman pwedeng isa lang dun sa 5 products na yun ang mag-shoulder ng buong rent expense ng company. So, ang gagawin, i-allocate yung rent into these products, okay? And then, sometimes, yung allocation, it would depend on various factors, okay? And meron tayong mga different processes on how to allocate the overhead. At the latter part pa yun ng subject natin, okay? I think on the last week, module 5, yung allocation, cost allocation under activity-based costing. Okay. Pinahuli ko siya kasi more on computation talaga siya. Okay. So, yung didiscuss natin dito, more on theories pa lang. Alright? So, yan. Tawag doon, cost allocation or assignment. Tapos, ito na yung ating cost accounting systems or cost management systems. Okay. Meron tayong tinatawag na actual costing. Ibig sabihin, yung product cost na, na-accumulate, ang ginagamit ay yung actual amount. Kung magkano talaga yung ginastos ng company pambayad ng materials, yun yung ilalagay na amount dun sa accounting of that particular product or product line. Okay? Labor, kung magkano talaga yung ginastos in paying the employees or the workers, yun din ang i-account. Tapos yung overhead, kung magkano talaga yung ginastos din sa overhead, yun din ang ilalagay na amount dun sa pagko-compute ng product cost. Okay? Kaya siya tinawag na actual costing. Alright? Itong normal costing naman, pero itong normal costing, ito yung normally na ginagamit. And another term na tinatawag dito, na pantawag dito is traditional costing. Okay? Ito yung, again, usually ginagamit. Okay? Mostly the reason for using this is for convenience. Mas madali siyang gamitin. How so? Yung direct materials saka direct labor, ang ginagamit na amounts ay yung kanilang actual amount. Okay? Kung magkano talagang ginastos sa materials saka sa labor, yun ang ginagamit. Pero pagdating sa manufacturing overhead, gumagamit sila ng predetermined overhead rate. Okay? Bakit sila gumagamit nitong predetermined rate? Kasi minsan, di ba, tapos na yung taon, yung ibang overhead expenses, hindi pa available yung kanilang amount. Okay? Hindi pa alam kung magkano ba yung nagastos talaga. Example niyan, utilities or yung mga bills, di ba? Minsan, since ito normally, di ba, sila ay, what do you call that? Prepaid? Postpaid. Ginamit mo muna yung service, i-utilize mo muna yung utility before mo siya bayaran. At the next month or at the following month pa dadating yung bills for them. Tapos, not only utilities and communications or kung ano man, meron pa ding other overhead na ganun din ang nangyayari. Okay sana kung alam mo yung amount na dadating, pero kapag hindi, edi syempre, intayin na siyang dumating. And sometimes, hindi mo naman siya pwedeng intayin, kasi hello, ginagamit mo kasi yung costing, kailangan mong malaman kung magkano yung nagamit mo na expenses in producing the product para makapag-set ka ng price, okay? At hindi mo naman siguro iintayin na dumating yung exact amount ng other cost para mag-set ng price, tapos saka mo lang ibebenta yung product, diba? So, hindi naman ganon. Kaya normally, ito yung ginagawa nila, they use a predetermined rate, tapos, normally, naman yun, a conservative estimate na din, and based on historical data. So, most of the time, it's quite safe to set a predetermined overhead rate, okay? Tapos yun, yun yung ginagamit nila, so they could compute for the total cost of producing the product. Tapos, yun yung magiging basis in setting the price. Okay? So, ayun. For detailed discussions, meron kasing individual courses dito about the costing system. May discussion ng actual costing, normal costing, saka ito pa, job order, process costing, standard, backslash, saka itong activity-based costing. Okay? Pero, overview muna natin dito. Job order costing. Ito ay ginagamit kapag yung products ay made upon receipt of orders based on customers' needs or specifications. Costs are assigned to individual products or orders. Okay? Normally, para to sa mga customized products or yung tipong specific projects. For example, pagtatayo ng bahay, tapos merong specification si customer, gusto niya ganito yung design, gusto niya ganito yung layout, gusto niya ganito yung materials na gagamitin, ganyan. Okay, so kapag mag-a-account ka or kapag i-accumulate mo yung cost for that particular product or project, ito yung gagamitin mo, job order costing. Okay, normally ginagamit siya for very specific or customizable products, right? Tapos itong process costing naman, pwede mo itong gamitin kapag mass production. Okay? Isang product, tapos i-produce mo siya ng maramihan. Okay? Normally, ginagamit ito para dun sa mga, tawag dito, yung normally available in the market, na ginagamit talaga madalas. Okay? For example, clothing. Okay? Mga companies naman, di ba, hindi naman sila nag-iintay ng order from customers bago sila gumawa ng t-shirts, ganyan. They can produce the t-shirts, tapos they can put it out in the market, tapos bebenta na lang. Okay? So, kapag mass production ng isang product, ito, process costing yung tawag. So, ang ginagawa nila, lahat ng ginagastos in producing that particular product, let's say isang batch yan ng product, ang gagawin nila, di syempre, accumulate lahat ng cost na ginamit for the production, tapos, i-divide na lang siya on the number of units na na-produce. Tapos, yun yung magiging unit cost ng product, magiging basis in determining the price of that particular product. Okay? So, yun. Type of product, homogeneous ang tawag, for process costing. Tapos, another, we have standard costing. Dito naman sa standard costing, ang ginagamit, standard cost, predetermined rate, lahat for materials, labor, and overhead. Dun sa normal costing, yung overhead lang ang naka-predetermined. Pero dito sa standard costing, lahat ay naka-predetermined. Okay? Paano ba nagpe-predetermine? So, for example, depende, kung yung company meron na siyang historical data, pwede niyang gamitin yon. Pero kung wala naman siyang historical data, bagong company pa lang siya, pwede niyang gamitin yung industry data or industry information. Okay? For example, magkano ba normally ang price ng particular material na gagamitin in the production? So, yun yung gagamitin niya. Not exactly kung magkano niya binili yung gagamitin in the production, but yung, let's say, average ang ginamit niya. Okay? Or yung pwede ring tawagin na standard cost niya. Okay? Tapos sa labor, ganun din. Magkano yung average amount na binabayad sa laborer ng ganitong particular na product. Okay? Tapos yung overhead, yun. Normally itong overhead naka-based sa number of direct labor hours. Okay? Yung itong normal costing, yung predetermined rate niya, normally ay nakabase sa direct labor hours. Tapos, minumultiply lang sa kung anong rate. Okay? For example, ay 3 pesos per direct labor hour. So, kung ang total direct labor hours ay 100, edi multiply mo lang yung number of hours with the rate. Ano? Ganyan. Okay? Yung sa standard costing, so, ganun. Maggagawa or mag-compute ng predetermined overhead rate. Tapos itong kasunod, backflush costing or just-in-time. Kaya siya tinawag na just-in-time kasi yung cost ay i-incur mo lang siya as needed. Kapag may order lang na dumating at gagawin na yung product, saka ka lang bibili ng materials, saka ka lang mag-hire ng workers, tapos saka ka lang din mag-incur ng other overhead expenses. Okay? Ang pinakang point kasi dito ay i-minimize yung storage cost, warehouse, saka yung ordering cost din, Kasi kung hindi mo naman gagamitin yung materials pa, kumbaga sila ay, ba't mo bibilhin agad, Matetenga yung puhunan mo din dun sa materials, tapos wala namang palang order pa, okay? So, yun yung pinaka main point dito sa just-in-time. And then, activity-based costing, ito yung out of all the cost management systems na pinresent dito or nabanggit natin, ito yung pinaka-kinoconsider na accurate computation. Kasi yung overhead, broken down and allocated on the basis of cost objects. Okay? As against traditional costing, yung sa traditional costing kasi nakabase ay sa direct labor hours. Okay? Itong sa activity-based, nakadepende sa activity. Okay? For example, meron kang 2 products. Yung isang product nagre-require ng 3 hours sa machinery para makaproduce ng isang unit. Okay? Tapos yung second product mo, nagre-require lang ng 1 oras dun sa machinery para makaproduce ng isang unit. So, in that sense, kumbaga, naka-base yung pag-allocate ng overhead on that particular, basis or cost object. Hindi yung basta mo lang hahatiin na, okay, hati yung 2 products, pero hindi siya fair na hatiin na lang ng basta-basta. Kasi nga, magkaiba naman sila ng ginamit dun sa overhead, diba? Yung isa 3 hours ang na-utilize, yung isa 1 hour lang. Okay? Tapos, that's just one example. What if meron pang, another overhead? Let's say yung isa namang overhead ay nakadepende sa setup ng machinery. Yung isang product, sa isang setup, makakapag-produce lang ng 100 units. Pero itong second product, sa isang setup, makakaproduce siya ng 1,000 units. Okay? So, in that sense, syempre, magkaiba yung magiging unit cost nila dapat kapag in-allocate na yung overhead cost. Okay? Hindi pwedeng gawin mong equal or hindi pwedeng i-base mo sa direct labor hours, especially kung wala namang kinalaman yung direct labor hours kasi ang cost object niya ay setup ng machinery. Ilang beses i-set up yung machinery para makapag-produce ng product na yon. Okay? So, yan. Example lang para And yun, kaya siya kinoconsider na mas accurate kasi nga, yun, natitake into account kung ano talaga yung nagiging, kumbaga yung pinagamitan ng overhead. Tapos, meron tayong hybrid product costing. Normal to, let's say, ito. Costing system that incorporates 2 or more costing systems. Pwede magkasama, let's say, standard with job order. Okay? Di ba yung job order for, specific orders, yung medyo customizable, tapos merong customer specifications, pwedeng standard costing ang gamitin together with the job order. Or, pwede rin naman gamitin yung standard costing with process costing. Okay? Tapos yung activity-based costing, pwede rin siyang gamitin with job order or with process costing. Okay? You can use job order costing with process costing. They call it operations costing. Okay? Normally, ito ay kapag, mayroong mix or mayroong split off point na tinatawag yung sa production process. Yung from beginning of the manufacturing process up to this point, pareho sila ng dinaanan na process. So, in that case, pwedeng process costing ang gamitin doon. Pero after this point, let's say, itong kalahati nilagay doon sa kabilang assembly, to make t-shirts kunwari. Tapos ito namang another set, nilagay dito sa kabilang assembly to make skirts kunwari. Ayun. So, pagdating dun sa split off na yon, magkaiba na. Okay? Pero ano, pwedeng job order kasi mag-separate products na sila. Anyway, overview pa lang. Later on, sa week 9, didiscuss natin ng more in-depth itong part na to. Okay? So, ayun lang para dito sa cost management systems. Okay? Saka yung sa activity-based. Pero itong activity-based, didiscuss pa natin much later. Alright? So, that's it for this one. Thanks and bye.